8 a.m. this Friday morning, December 5th, 2025. I've got my bedroom lamp spun around as I'm going to conduct a little bit of a experiment before I head out to the woods this morning to take care of the granimals out there. I'm very frigidly cold outside, so I'm not really looking forward to going out there, but I don't believe the animals are have been looking forward to these severe cold temperatures that we are enduring right now. I've dimmed down the lighting and we can see the light bulb here. And that's all we're seeing. Now, this is in comparison to what I've been recording as far as this anomaly, not only seen next to the greater light, but the lesser light now as well, as seen within last night's recording. And as you will notice, with light dimmed down and with this bright bulb, there's no anomaly. So I'm going to try this experiment just a little bit further, or one step further. Now this is really bumming me out. This is a flashlight, an LED flashlight. And I am picking up the same so-called anomaly. LED flashlight, casting an anomaly, but yet the light bulb with a filament inside does not. So now what are we to get from this? As I reported within a reply to a comment made, that this light anomaly was never really present in my recordings until AI was installed into my phone or was allowed to infiltrate this device. I've been recording this so-called anomaly for many months now, and now this is really bumming me out. But this morning, I had this little thought or idea to try this experiment. And it's too bad that I would not have done it much longer ago. This is a real letdown. But now it also gives me a high level of curiosity as to why this is being picked up. With the sun and the moon. And now we're seeing it with this flashlight. So I apparently will not be recording this optical illusion, if you will. But once again, if you look at the flashlight itself and the center of it, it ironically looks very, very similar to our greater light in the sky. We have the aura, we have what appears to be, the spherical shape of the sun, right? So we have the sun, the coronal aura, as well as this anomaly. But we're not looking at the sun, are we? Man, this has got me bummed out. But then again, and once again, it brings forth a higher level of curiosity as to the similarity now between this and the recording of the sun or greater light. If this is the case, no more mystery. When it comes to this, it's an optical illusion, a camera artifact, if you will. Or is it? Because once again, artificial intelligence is affecting so many things today. But now, well, I guess I've gotten a little bit more of an answer. I'm not too thrilled over it, but it is what it is. And you cannot, you know, the proof is in the pudding, I guess. This is really, really bumming me out. So, well, I guess like I said, I won't be recording the sun nor the moon due to this. I've recorded so much of the aircraft activities and you know, all the terror reformation, manipulation to the skies and the weather and all that. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave off with this. Go out and do what I gotta do. I've got some travels to take care of today as well. But once again, this is nothing more than a flashlight, an LED flashlight. With a high amount of similarity now to my recordings of the sun and the moon. Oh well, it is what it is, right? Well, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great one. Well, the current time is 8:35 a.m. I just reviewed my recording and I thought, okay, let's go ahead and further the proof, as I did not actually show the flashlight. This is the flashlight right here. And I've got the light turned onto the camera. Otherwise, we would be seeing this. It's an orange flashlight, regardless of how the coloration might turn out. I don't have it turned on right now. Come on. What's going on with this stupid camera now? Anyways, you can see the diodes in this flashlight. And, well, we turn it on. Okay, we can see the lens flare of those diodes. And let's drop that, get rid of this. And yeah, I really don't get this at all. Huh. So, yeah, there we have it. Yeah, I'm bumming. Alright, that's it in a nutshell. We'll leave off with that. I just thought to add this on, just to show that yes, it was in fact an LED flashlight that I was showing. And, well, I apologize for all the past recordings of this apparent optical illusion, whether it's coming from an LED flashlight, the moon, or the sun. This anomalous optical illusion is there. Alright, well, we are like single digit temperature outside. Very, very cold. I didn't waste any time with the feeding and watering to the cats, as I have to go back out, wander down to the store to do what I gotta do. Not looking forward to it. Oh well, day by day, I guess life goes on, and we live and learn. Such is the case with this. Alright, well, thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. Have a great one. Skywise out.